17 parties that represent 62% of Indian electorate is not disjointed by any stretch of imagination. No matter what the BJP wants to make of this,
62%. It's not, that's a clever thing to say, but it's not factually correct. Because 62% would be if you had all the opposition parties there.
It is factually correct.
Half a dozen opposition parties weren't there, so it's not 62%.
60%. I stand corrected. 17 parties together, 60% of the electorate. I've done my math. 60% is what the electorate was. Are you telling me the BJP is not worried? Absolutely it is worried. They may want to posture, they may want to say. And we are not united because we want to, score a brownie point against the government. It is issues that is uniting India's opposition. Whether it is Pegasus, whether it is the corona crisis, whether it is no oxygen, no vaccination, whether it is, बेरोजगारी का मुद्दा हो, महंगाई का मुद्दा हो, पेट्रोल 120 पर हो, आज भारत की जनता इनके खिलाफ खड़ी है। तो ऑपोजिशन की आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? 17 पार्टियों का एक साथ होना, इनके होश उड़ गए। ये कुछ भी कहे, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। आपके होश फाख्ता है जफर साहब, आप कुछ भी कहिए, हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। दिक्कत की बात यह है, आप कुंभकर्ण की नींद सोए हैं और एक सोती हुई सरकार को जब यूनाइटेड विपक्ष जताना चाहता है तो आप बेकार की बात।
Okay, let Syed Zafar Islam respond to that before I go across to Bishwajit Dev. Yes,
sleeping on the wheel.
But I can't speak.
You are sleeping on the wheel.
Zafar Islam, please.
Rahul, two things. Was that I have given a notice today for the discussion on state of economy. If they are keen, we will be able to discuss because I have moved that notice. It's not the opposition party. I requested that let's have a discussion on the state of economy, inflation, everything we can discuss. If they are keen, we can discuss it.
Bishwajit Dev, last time the TMC spokesperson.
Second thing, just 10 seconds. Rahul, let me just complete. 10 seconds. The point I was trying to make this afternoon only. See, you are talking about unity in opposition camp. Opposition, there are many people who are keen to speak on a bill, and how they were also disrupted and they fought with each other. It was so apparent that there was no unity among the opposition parties, and many people spoke on the issue on the bill, while who were disrupting them, it is the TMC, it is the Congress.
Zafar, one ally after the other is leaving you.